Isn't it shattering when you gain weight suddenly? Your favorite pair of jeans won't fit you anymore, and it becomes hard to find your jawline in selfies. You wonder what went wrong even after you were careful about your diet. Don't worry, we have done the research for you, and here is what we found. The World Health Organization expresses that we will in general put on weight when there is a vitality awkwardness between the calories we devour and the calories we exhaust. For certain individuals, gaining weight or building muscle can be testing. If your weight is 60 kilograms, then it includes your organs, bones, muscles, fat, skin, hair, even the food and water that you consume. Gaining weight means you are gaining fat, muscle and even bones. In the case of weight gain, when your height increases. Generally, it's because of fat plus muscle increasing in your body. But fat gain is when you're only gaining fat. Should I gain weight or fat? Let me know your answers in the description below. Though fruits aren't usually the first group of foods that comes to mind when trying to bulk up, a few sorts of natural products can give the additional calories your body needs to put on weight. Also, they pack significant nutrients and minerals to help your well-being. They are distinguished in two forms. Fresh fruits. Though most fruits are low in calories, many can help you gain weight due to their higher carb or fat contents. Here are 4 fresh fruits that can help you gain weight. Bananas. Bananas are an excellent choice if you're looking to gain weight. They're not only nutritious, but also a great source of carbs and calories. In addition, bananas pack many other micronutrients. Green bananas, in particular, are high in resistant starch, which passes through your digestive tract undigested. Research has linked resistant starch to improved gut health. Bananas are a convenient on-the-go snack and can be added to oatmeal or smoothies made with other high-calorie ingredients, such as nut butter or full-fat yogurt, to help you gain weight. Avocados. Avocados boast an impressive nutrient profile. Plus, they're high in calories and healthy fats, making them an excellent choice for people looking to gain weight. Avocados are also rich in many other micronutrients, including potassium and vitamins K, C, B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine. What's more, they're incredibly versatile and can be used in many ways. Try adding them to soups and salads or using them as a spread alongside a protein source like eggs. Coconut meat. Coconut is a versatile fruit that has gained popularity for its many health benefits. It's also a great source of calories, as it's high in fat and moderate in carbs. Coconut flesh is also high in many important minerals, including phosphorus and copper. Best of all, it can be enjoyed in many ways. Try sprinkling shredded coconut onto fruit salad, adding it into stir fries, or blending it into soups and smoothies to increase the calorie content of your meals and snacks. Mango. Mango is a delicious sweet fruit that boasts an impressive nutrient profile. Like bananas, mangoes are a good source of calories mostly from carbs. Mango is a good source of copper, several B vitamins, and vitamins A and E. Mango is delicious on its own, but also a great addition to smoothies, salsas, and summer salads. Try pairing fresh mango with higher calorie ingredients like nuts or coconut if weight gain is your goal. Some fresh fruits, such as avocado and coconut, are good sources of healthy fats, which can help you gain weight. Bananas and mangoes are rich in carbs and calories. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are fruits that have had nearly all of their water content removed through various drying methods. What's left is an energy-dense snack that, despite its small size, is very nutritious. In fact, studies estimate that dried fruit contains 3 to 5 times more micronutrients than fresh fruit. Because dried fruits are energy-dense, they're excellent for people trying to gain weight. However, they're high in natural sugars, so it's best to combine them with a source of healthy fat or protein to minimize the potential negative effects on your blood sugar. Here are some high-calorie, dried fruits that can help you gain weight. Dates. Dates are the small, cylindrical fruits of the date palm, which grows in tropical areas. They're typically sold dried in most Western countries and loaded with nutrients. These fruits are also a good source of copper, manganese, iron, and vitamin B6. Given that dates are typically sold dried, they have a long shelf life, making them a versatile way to increase your calorie intake. They make a great binder in baked goods or can be enjoyed by themselves. Try stuffing dates with almond butter and coconut flakes for a healthy, high-calorie snack. Prunes. Prunes are dried plums that pack a nutritional punch. Prunes are also known for their ability to alleviate constipation. Their fiber content can help add bulk to your stool and speed its transit through your gut. Prunes have a long shelf life and are easy to add to your diet, making them a simple way to increase your calorie intake and assist healthy weight gain. They taste great on their own, but you can also enjoy them in your favorite salads, smoothies, and baked goods. Dried apricots. Apricots are a popular yellow stone fruit that can be enjoyed both fresh and dried. In addition to being an excellent source of calories, dried apricots are a good source of beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin-3 plant pigments that support eye health. Dried apricots make an excellent pick-me-up snack late in the afternoon and pair well with nuts and cheese, which can also help you gain weight, as they're good sources of calories and fat. Dried figs. Enjoyed both fresh and dried, figs are a popular fruit with a sweet yet mild flavor. Dried figs are tasty on their own or can be enjoyed chopped to garnish oats, yogurt, or salads. They also pair well with cheese and crackers. Some people prefer softening their dried figs by boiling them in water for up to 10 minutes. Raisins. Raisins are dried grapes that come in various sizes and colors. In the United States and Canada, the name generally refers to all types of dried grapes, whereas in Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, and the United Kingdom, it describes only dark-colored, large varieties. Raisins are also a good source of copper, manganese, magnesium, and many B vitamins. Adding raisins to your diet is an easy way to increase your calorie intake. They taste great straight out of the box and pair well with nuts, yogurts, cheeses, salads, and oatmeal. Sultanas. Like raisins, sultanas are another type of dried grape. However, they're made from green seedless grapes, mainly the Thompson seedless type. In the United States, sultanas are often called golden raisins due to their lighter color. Sultanas can be eaten similarly to raisins, making them a convenient way to increase your calorie intake. Eat them alone or combine them with nuts, yogurts, cheeses, or salads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you would always know when I upload useful videos to suit your desires.